guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Alexis, and you are here for what? Another video, period. So as you guys can read below, I'm not gonna hold you guys up. We are back again for another La Synthetica review, baby. And if you don't know what a La Synthetica is, you need to get on the train, okay? Because the La Synthetica is a synthetic wig that does what it's supposed to do. So yeah, you guys, but I won't hold you guys up, but y'all already know I gotta do a little intro. So if you are new, hello, hi, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and you know, I hope you like what you see and you feel like you want to subscribe and hit the bell and comment down below. And if you are OG, then you already know what it is, what it ain't, what's up. Child, if my energy seems low, it's because it is literally like dang near 8 o'clock at night, and I have been editing a video. I've been running around crazy. Y'all already know it is Christmas time, so I've been trying to do my Christmas shopping. So I'm not gonna lie, when I got the package, I got excited and I went ahead and opened a box, but I did not do anything else. Like, it is still in the little net and everything, like stock card, everything is on it. I have the box right here. I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember the name of this wig, but I'll put it across the screen. Oh, the Butta Unit 15, okay? So this is the stock card. I'm gonna show you guys. Hopefully that is clear. And there you go. So that is the stock card and everything like that. So I'm not gonna hold y'all. Look. Oh, my first reaction was like, oh my gosh, this wig is so freaking pretty. I don't know the length of this wig. I don't know if it says it on here. But either way, it is really long, so I'm probably gonna cut it just because I'm a little sketchy about synthetic, like long synthetic wigs. You will already know. If you wear synthetics, then you already know how that can get. But we'll see. But my first impression is like, I am in love with this wig. I watched like 2 reviews on it already, and I was like, gotta have that wig. Went right to Amazon, honey. Click their link in their description, and I'm gonna put my link in the description as well so that you can get you one too. And they, like I always say, they have multiple colors. You already know, like, synthetic wigs come in like a million, billion, trillion colors. But I feel like this was perfect because it gave me a little color, not just like 1B. But not like, you know, it's winter, it's the holidays. I'm not trying to give like too many crazy colors yet. But yeah, you guys, so my first impressions was like, this is really, really nice. I'm super excited. Let me take it out of this little thing so I can show you guys the lace, because from what I can see so far, the lace looks really, really nice. So let's do this. And I'm gonna take all this extraness that I don't need out. I see that there are 3 combs, 2 right there, and then 1 in the back of the neck, the nape where the adjustable straps are as well. So that's great. And then this lace, it looks pretty good. Like, you know, I think that looks really, really pretty. I do see a few little baby hairs popping out. Y'all already know that is not my tea, but we're gonna see. Baby, go ahead and sign me the QC because I'm ready to drop a single, okay? See the girls, I'm coming for your neck, okay? Let me stop playing. Okay, so let me go and take this off. And I'm gonna try to just do this straight through. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like I said, I am tired. I'm trying to give the good energy. But yeah, I washed my hair. If you guys don't know, I don't think I included it in the last clip because I tried to cut that video down. But let me go ahead and say I will have that video linked below. That was me doing the crisscross crochet hairstyle. It was really, really nice. Lasted a good length of time, and I really didn't have any problems like with my hair being left out or anything. So if you guys want to see that tutorial, that will be linked down below in the description box as well. But yeah, you guys, so I just recently washed my hair. In that video, I kind of cut it out because I feel like the video was too long, but whatever. So basically, I am transitioning, and that'll be another video for another day. But I'm not trying to transition, but like, I was natural for 5 years, and now I relaxed myself, cut my hair, but now I'm like, I need a relaxer, and I really, really need a relaxer. So y'all already got to see these cornrows on fresh, period. So yeah, let me just take this off. And I already moisturized and like base my scalp and all that stuff. I still use the lock method, and that's the method that I used when I was natural, LOC. So leave-in conditioner, oil, and the cream. But that's kind of like the cream for like when you're styling your hair, like curling cream. But now that I'm not natural, I use the cream as in like grease. So log, that's what I use. Yeah, because my hair is like super thick. It's very coarse, even relaxed. It is very thick, so oil does nothing for my hair. So I still like to use oil and like, you know, put it on like the roots and the strands and the ends, of course. But that does nothing for my hair, so I definitely have to go back in and like grease my scalp. So I already did that. Boom, handy dandy stocking cap. Y'all already know what it is. And I cannot find my makeup that I use to usually oh, I forgot my mirror, but I can't find my makeup that I usually use to put on it, so we're gonna see how this goes. And so I went and got my brush that I love to use specifically for doing wigs. So again, I showed you guys before in a previous video the dual ended. So this is more like to blend and kind of take away, and then this is a angled end that kind of, you know, lets you get the more precise little sections that you have to get. And then this is my L'Oreal True Max Super Blendable Powder in W7 caramel, how do you say it, beige. So this is the makeup that I usually use, if it shall focus. There we go. Okay, so I went ahead and adjusted my straps. I have a smaller head, so I kind of already know like to guess where to put it. So let's just see if this is tight enough or not, but you know, you can always adjust it and everything. And I personally don't use the combs because they're uncomfortable, and I feel like they're not really good to be using combs anyways, so yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm not gonna lie, I did tell you guys that like it's late at night, so I don't want to sleep in this wig, so I don't want to do like my full-on install and everything. But and usually with synthetic wigs I try not to if I don't have to, because of course I want to moisturize my hair throughout the week and things like that. But I'm gonna still let you guys know, you already seen me use it before, but this is the lace, if it'll focus. This is what I usually use to lay down my edges. And what I was doing, because basically you have to kind of play with these synthetic wigs based off the lace. The lace is really transparent, so that's really good and like very HD. So what I did was first I tried putting the makeup like underneath the lace, and then I tried putting it on the actual wig cap. That wasn't good. It was like too red. I can't find my makeup that I like, my go-to that is the perfect shade and everything. But what I did was I just put it on top, and literally it's giving scalp, so period. And like I said, I'm not about to be like doing a full install. I'm about to probably take this off right after this video. So basically I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this. Now usually what I do is have it like still, you know, like glued down some way to my head, but I have been doing this for a little minute, so usually what I would do is take it off and just cut it like with the scissors and everything, because I feel confident doing that. But I'm not gonna do that. I mean, you can do that if you want to. It wouldn't bother me to do that. So the only reason why I just cut my lace away, like I haven't never done that before, but I just know that with the synthetic wig, like I'm gonna be taking it on and off. I'm not about to plug like this size. I'm literally gonna wear it this one part and call it a day. So usually, like if it was like a ear to ear lace type of wig, then I would not have cut it that way, because if you cut it with scissors, you don't want that straight edge cut because it makes it look even more wiggy and more like clockable. So again, as you can see, I just did that part with this, like near the front with this, because that gives like a better cut, if that makes sense. So I will say this wig is pretty tight, but I feel like I still need a little extra to hug this, so I'm gonna adhere this part on there. And then I always take a little piece like near the corner, so not this far, but like even further down, like right where the ear tab is gonna be, and just hold that down. Okay, you guys, so I actually had to go on a freaking hunt for what I was looking for. After installing and everything, as you guys saw, I found the makeup that I was looking for, so that's like whatever. But this was also the other thing that I was looking for. I showed you guys in a previous synthetic video before, and it is the NYX Buildum Up Powder Brow Filler. So it's just like, I don't even know if they still even like sell this anymore, but this is exactly how it looks. So yeah, you kind of just, and my battery's about to die, Jesus. So you basically just shake it up because it's a powder, and be gentle, but you're kind of just adding. And with me, I want to add to the part just in case like I over pluck or something, you know. That's what this does. It kind of just does like, gives that illusion. All right, you guys, so my camera did cut off. I was trying to hurry up and talk before it cut off, but basically, you guys, that was the quick install. It was actually the quickest install I probably, well, one of the quickest installs I've ever done, and the fact that I recorded it, moi muy bien. Comment down below if there's any other like Syntheticas that's out there that y'all like, Lex, buy this, do this review. Anything else that y'all want to put me onto, any upcoming videos that you guys would like from me. I hope you guys really like this and enjoy this. Please go grab you one. I think it was under, I'm pretty sure, I know it was under $70. I think it was like $50, $60. So that is a freaking steal. Everything that I did off camera was basically, I cut the hair because it was longer than what I wanted. This is the length that it's on me now. Like, this is, my waist is down here, so it's like right above it. I just personally didn't want it that long with, like, again, with synthetic hair, you kind of got to be careful with that. The length, especially with synthetic curly hair, it can go bad real fast. So I cut it. I love it. It actually looks like it has like a few little layers in there, so I think that's really cute. And I think cutting it shorter made the layers look better, in my personal opinion. You guys, I did not have to use dry shampoo. I feel like it has like a luster, like a natural luster, but not anything too crazy. But you guys already know that I swear by this dry shampoo, and you can get this at Walmart in the travel section for all like the travel size items that they have. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I mean, I didn't feel the need to use any heat or anything. I mean, it's curly, but I'm pretty sure that you can. I'm not really sure. I didn't read the stock card for real, so you know, look at that before you take my word on that. Yeah, you guys, but I love it. I did finger comb it, the curls a little bit. I like the tight, like Jerry curl curly look. Like, I love it. I think it's so cute. It gives like beach vibes, you know. Like, I'm finna dip in a wave, baby. I'm finna get lost, like a drink in a coconut. Like, I can see the sunset, baby. What? Like, oh, I cannot wait to start back traveling. I love these curls. I love the texture of the hair. I love the color, like the highlights. It's like the perfect tone. It's not like too little but enough. Like, I love it. Okay, love it. So we'll see. Hopefully this does really well. You know, synthetics can go good or bad, but I really haven't ran into too many problems with synthetic wigs. But I also changed my hair a lot too. But yeah, you guys, so maybe I'll do like a comment down below if you want me to do like an update on this actual unit, because I don't mind doing that. I love watching videos like that, like when people do like the review, how they style it and everything they did to do the install, so you can look like how they look. And they come back and tell you like yay or nay. Like, come on, you give me everything I need, baby honey. That's the easy way to get me to subscribe. But that's another rant for another day, you guys. So that is all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.